Upgrading Python version 3.10 to 3.11 in just 3 steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to CMD and check your Python version. So type Python space -v. Click Enter button. Then, your Python version is shown in the screen. Step 2. Go to your browser. Search python.org. Click the first one. Then, click the download button. It will start to download. Step 3. Open Downloads. Click the recently downloaded Python setup file. Then enable the second option in the page. Next, click Install button. It will take some time to get installed. Once again, open the CMD again. Check the Python version using the same command, which is before we used. Now I installed the new Python version 3.11. If you liked this video, press the like button. If you have interested in learn Python, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.